Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Conveniently located just 45 minutes from Melbourne CBD and 5 to 10 minutes from Fountain Gate Shopping Centre, as your trusted automotive partner, we take pride in offering a diverse range of vehicles to suit every style and need. Introducing the 2017 Holden Commodore, a refined and capable full-size sedan. Finished in black, the Commodore is powered by a 6.2L LS3 V8 engine, delivering 304 kilowatts of power and 570 Newton-meters of torque. Inside, it seats up to 5 passengers and offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. The 2017 Commodore is perfect for those seeking Australian-built performance, comfort, and everyday practicality.